How to add link in Instagram bio. Let's get started. First, you have to copy the link that you want to add in your Instagram bio. So I'm gonna add the link of this video. I have just copied the link of this video. Once you copy the link, you can close it. Now you can launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to the profile page. Now over here, you'll find the option of edit profile. Click on it. Now click on this option of links. Navigate to this option of add external link. Now paste that copied URL over here. Also, you can give a title. Once you type in, click on done. With that, you have just added link to your Instagram bio. Now you can head back. Now in your Instagram bio, you will be able to find the link. Clicking on this link, you will land to the video. So this is how you can easily add link in Instagram bio. By following the same steps, you can add any link to your Instagram bio. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily add link in Instagram bio. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.